Hello friends, hope everybody's doing well. It has been a while, but yeah, I'm back. I am Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and today we are back with our Luganda Lesson 18. Essomo ery'ekumi n'omunaana mu Luganda. Today we are going to learn about ebimu ku bigambo by'Oluganda ebiyigirizibwa mu luyimba. Some Luganda words told through a song. So when we were kids, sometimes I think the teachers realized that it was hard for us to learn. So they created songs so that we can learn through songs. These are the few words which we learned through a song. Cup, ekikopo. Cup, ekikopo. This is supposed to be the other way around. This is supposed to be Luganda this side and English the other side. But yeah, things happen. So that's how it happened. So English is on this side and Luganda is on this side. Hopefully you understand. Banana. Banana. Amatoke in Luganda we call banana amatoke. That's the banana the green banana we use as amatoke to prepare a meal. It's not the banana, the ripe one which we eat as a ripe banana. This is banana amatoke, the green one which we use to make like a mashed matoke, a mashed banana to make a matoke. It's a meal, it's a delicacy in Uganda. Kettle, ebinika. Drum, ingoma. Elephant, enjovu. Fish, ekyennyanja. Fish, ekyennyanja. We have many different types of fish. Yeah, we have tilapia, we have Nile perch, we have those other kind of fish. But if you say fish, you mean ekyennyanja. But then you can really differentiate by saying, I want a tilapia, I want a Nile perch, I want a redfish, I want a hake, such things, But in general, fish is ekyennyanja. Girl, omuwala. There's a mistake here whereby we're supposed to have one U here, but there are two. It is a mistake. I apologize for that. But it's supposed to be one U here. Omuwala. Girl, omuwala. Boy, omulenzi. So the words you've seen above, I've mentioned above, in English and Luganda, this is how we learned them through a song. And this is a song. I'm not a good singer, but yeah, I'll try my best. Here we go. Cup, chikopo, banana matoke, kettle ebinika, drum ingoma, elephant enjovu, fish kyennyanja, girl muwala, ate boy mulenzi. Cup, chikopo, banana matoke, kettle ebinika, drum ingoma, elephant enjovu, fish kyennyanja, girl muwala, ate boy mulenzi. That's the song. We just sang the song, then we remember that cup means ekikopo in Luganda. Banana means amatoke in Luganda. Kettle means ebinika in Luganda. Drum means engoma in Luganda. Elephant means enjovu in Luganda. Fish means chenyanja in Luganda. Girl means muwala in Luganda. And boy means mulenzi in Luganda. That's the end of our lesson 18. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'ekkumi n'omunaana. Thank you for listening. Weebale kuwuliriza. Singular, weebale kuwuliriza. In plural we say mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed out on my lessons, you can find them on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. Ekibo. Please do subscribe when you get there. I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. Webale nnyo. Webale nnyo. That is singular. Webale nnyo. In plural we say mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Weraba. In singular, weraba. In plural we say mweraba. Mweraba. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate it. My name's Astua Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Take care. Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021. Hopefully, I'll see you there then. Goodbye.